Okay, it's finally here. My package from GoPro that I've been waiting for about a month. It seemed like about a month ago that GoPro launched the competition called Home Pro, where you have to. They're trying to encourage people to stay home and be creative and send in your videos and photos. And they're gonna give away a bunch of GoPros. You get to choose from a GoPro Max or a GoPro 8 Black if you win. And I'm gonna apologize ahead of time. I suck at vlogging. I'm trying to get better at it, but I feel like I sound like I feel like I sound like I feel like. Anyways, it's here. Finally. I didn't think it was gonna come. It said that it landed in London it landed in London on Sunday, and it finally came here now. I was worried I wasn't going to be here to get it when they delivered it, so I got them to send it to the store so they would guaranteed go there and I would just get it. And it's finally in today. And I was hoping that they wouldn't have the word GoPro written on it because I was just worried someone was going to take it because I just worry about stuff like that. It does say GoPro on it. And it does seem like someone cut right there to try and have a peek inside. But I'm glad that they stopped there. Or no, that's not what that is. That actually says pull here. So just so you know, I don't actually need this. Don't take me the wrong way when I say that. This is just amazing, and this is just everything that's in here, even if it's just the one thing that I want and I thought that's all I need. When I say that I don't need this, all I needed was to be noticed by GoPro. I've been trying to be noticed by GoPro for over 11 years now, since I rappelled down the side of the one London place with my GoPro 3 Black. That was a life-changing experience. But for the Home Pro Challenge, I'll put a link on the video below to find the video, which wouldn't even be hard to find in my channel on YouTube because I don't have 1,000 videos and it's pretty recent. But anyways, we took one of my daughter's favorite songs that she plays on the ukulele, and we rewrote it. We made our own words for it. We made it our own. And her best friend that was staying with us at the time, she was one heck of an artist, and she was able to just freestyle, draw art that has to do with the lyrics that we wrote, and I made her do it on this side, and I just kind of time-lapsed it. It took her like 45 minutes to draw, and I just compressed it all into the 1-minute song that my daughter sang here, and it was pretty cool. We definitely had a feeling that we were going to hear something and get some good remarks at least. I didn't know this was going to happen. I remember we posted it, and I posted it to my Facebook first as a regular Facebook photo, a Facebook video, and everyone loved it. It was awesome. And then I posted it to my YouTube, and I don't have a lot of subscribers on YouTube. I try really hard to get subscribers on YouTube, but I just don't got them. And I posted the video, and it only had like 20 views. And it was up there for like maybe a day. And I kept checking on it, and it wasn't moving. It stayed at like 25 views. For some reason, no one's seen it. And I remember walking across the living room, and my phone vibrated in my pocket, and I looked, and it was GoPro. They commented on my video, and I broke down. I was like, "Oh, GoPro just commented on my video," and everyone was like, "Wow!" And I couldn't even see what they commented because I was crying, literally crying. And I was like, "I think that they said I won." And I did. They said it was amazing, and you won. And how can we get you a GoPro? Insane. That is all that I needed. that made my year. That made my 11 years of doing GoPro videos. I was spending all the time that I do on my GoPro videos. I spend so much time, put so much heart into them, and I love doing it so much. But most of all, I love hearing reactions to my videos. I love when people watch my videos and give me feedback. I love that. Anyways, I talked to GoPro through Instagram, and I chose to go with the GoPro Black that they were going to send me. I was blown away a little bit when I seen the box, that it was so big. And I was like, what else did they send me? But now I'm thinking maybe it was just the box that GoPro fit in. And that's all that's in here, and that's okay. That's okay. I'm so excited for what's in this box. I can't even handle it. I'm just gonna get out of it. I brought a knife, but I don't even need it. Just says pull here. Yes, yes, a huge, massive GoPro sticker. You know how difficult it is to get GoPro. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, how hard it is to get GoPro stickers. You can't get them. You can't order them online. If you order them online, you get fake ones. The only way you get GoPro stickers, little small ones like this, is when you buy a GoPro. If you can see that, and they're so hard to come by. I'm so pathetic that I didn't even peel that sticker off of the thing. I didn't. I left the sticker intact on that in case I actually figured out where I wanted to put it, because I don't know. I'm thinking I'm putting it on my truck. Look at this. This is insane. This is just like, holy. Oh my God. Look at this thing. Are you kidding me? I am so blown away. This is crazy. This is just insane. Oh my God. So this is the GoPro Max, the new 360 camera. I'm just the stuff that I'm going to be able to come up with. This is just ridiculous. It's totally going to up my game. Oh, there might be more stickers in here. You never know. I love stickers. Wow, I can't believe those stickers. They're crazy. Okay. GoPro Plus. Now, I've also won 5 years of GoPro Plus for free with this combo. I don't know what I'm supposed to do or how to get it. Unlimited cloud storage for your GoPro footage, damaged camera replacement, no questions asked, and 50% off everything GoPro. That's crazy. I so badly just want some GoPro clothing instead of trying to just make my own. More stuff, more stuff. Other questions? Yeah, baby! More stickers. Such a simple thing. I get so crazy over stickers. Oh my goodness. Got it. Oh, okay. It's like a little case to carry around. What is this? Or like little glass shields. Just put over the front and the back. It has a camera in the front and in the back. And you can vlog with it. I'm trying this whole vlogging thing. I know I was brutal at it, but I will get better at it. And I can watch myself while I vlog. This is nuts. battery, charger, mounts, and a cover up for the lenses. Wow, I can't even believe this. This is so crazy. I can't wait to try this thing out. I'm gonna put it on my bamboo stick, and then it'll make it look like a little planet type thing, like I'm walking on a little planet or doing whatever I'm doing on a little planet. That's pretty badass. I know where I'm putting this sticker now. This is the ukulele that my daughter played when we won that award. That's where this is going. And I'm gonna hang this ukulele up. I can't believe the size of those stickers. Oh my goodness. So she's right-handed, right? Oh yeah. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for watching my videos. That means a lot to me. Thanks for the feedback. Thanks for liking it, loving it, sharing it. And if you like my stuff, subscribe to me. Unfortunately, I don't have the time to be putting out videos like all the other YouTube channels, like every week or every 2 weeks, or giving guarantees like that. Like, if I can get one out a month, I'm happy. I spend so much time, put so much heart into it, but I also have so much other stuff going on. But at least this way, you won't get bored of me. I won't be putting out so many videos all the time, but when I do put a video up, maybe you can look forward to it. Thank you so much. This is all that I needed. This just made my year.